In this tutorial, we will show you how to operate an HP OfficeJet printer in a professional workspace. On the left side of the printer, we have the power button. This turns on the printer and opens the main menu. Before we begin printing, remove the paper tray and insert a paper size of your choice. This gives us the proper size paper for the task we need to complete. If you are using a different paper size, make sure to change it in the settings for your print. In addition to paper, before we print something, we need to check our printer's ink levels. In our case, the black and yellow cartridges were low. Open the door containing your ink cartridges to change them. Make sure to buy appropriate ink for your printer, as it will only work with its designated ink. Changing the ink is as simple as pushing it in to remove the cartridge and replacing it with your new cartridge. Next, you will want to grab your computer with the document you want to print loaded on it. Open your document and press the printer icon in the top right hand corner. Then, select any settings you want and hit print to send the directions to the printer. Make sure you pull out the paper tray so your newly printed document doesn't fall on the floor. Now you know how to print a document in a workspace and how to fully operate a printer. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.